to create a second YouTube channel on the same email address which you have your first YouTube channel on, all you have to do is to come over to your Chrome browser, click these three dots and go to settings and go to site settings and scroll to desktop sites and toggle this on. We're going to go back. Now let's search for youtube.com. This is how our desktop view looks like. Now we'll click on this our face icon here and go over to where it says switch account. You will look here, it says view all channels. I'm going to click on that. Click on create a channel. I'm going to add the name of my channel, and now I'm going to choose a username for my channel. So it automatically chose this username for me, Rachel AI Studio, the way I added it as my name because nobody else has chosen it. Please do subscribe to this channel if you find it. And I'm going to hit on create. Now our channel is live. You can go ahead and customize your channel by clicking on customize channel. Click on return to studio. Welcome to YouTube Studio. From here I'm going to click continue and start the customization. If you want to see a video on how to customize your channel properly, I'll link that in the description of this video. Like this video if you got value from it. Show us love with the link. Do have a good one.